gas fireplace. So gas fireplace. So normally, so we see is almost like here. Yeah. So the recommend is a metal screen protector, but sometimes most house they don't use. Yeah. So we should know the fireplace glass is very hot. If there's a small case at home, it's better use a metal protector. Yeah. So for the fireplace, normally the screen underneath here is a access to the gas valve and the gas pipe inside, yeah, and the control inside. Yeah. So I met a fireplace not a long time ago. So there's a just renovated. They put a big stone countertop just block this screen, this opening. Yeah, so it's cannot open the fireplace. Yeah, so sometimes just like is lots of tricky there, and so like that one we just move that countertop and then can access. But the whole countertop is very heavy. Yeah, so that's the thing we should know. The access is the bottom of the fireplace, and we can see this is a Napoleon fireplace and a gas valve here. Yeah, gas valve here. So sometimes the gas valve is just a regular gas valve, like the furnace or the boiler. So, but sometimes it's different. So if it's different, so normally, so there's a switch underneath here. It's tell is a remote or local. Yeah. So the local means so we don't use a remote to control. Just use the switch, the wall switch, on and off, or thermostat, control the fireplace. Yeah. If you use the remote, so that means so normally so there's a remote control. So you can use that control to control the fireplace on off, or even sometimes the flame or the fan speed. Yeah. So this one we can see there's a fan inside. Yeah. So you can adjust the fan speed here. Yeah. So this one they show the gas valve. This knob is here. This knob is control the flame on off or pilot. Yeah, this one high or low. This should control the flame, big or small. Yeah, so normally, so this one we should check the gas leak too. So normally, like the fireplace, if we check the carbon monoxide around the cover here, yeah, so sometime will be check the carbon monoxide come out. Yeah, so only when the fireplace is very hot, maybe there's a carbon monoxide will disappear. Yeah, and another thing for the glass. So for the glass, so some houses keep very clean, and some houses looks is ugly, Yeah, so this glass normally we need to clean every year. Yeah, so don't use the soap to clean. So there's a special like oil, greasy the fireplace glass cleaner. Yeah, so use those. And if you use the soap after clean, so maybe you see it's good, but when you run the heat, so it looks very bad. Yeah, so and when you clean the glass, so be careful the inside the gasket. So sometime if you measure the carbon monoxide come out, you should check the gasket if there is a break gasket or something like that, and then the carbon monoxide come out. Blower fan. So not all the fireplace has a blower fan. So if you find there's a blower fan, so normally it's controlled by the thermometer. Yeah, so there should be a sensor inside. If the inside temperature is high enough, so this fan will be blow. Yeah, so it's normally it's automatic control. Yeah, but if you can see there's some like a switch like this one, yeah, I think you can use the switch control too. Okay, gas fireplace, the venting requirements just almost the same like a furnace. So we all can find the the information from the menu. Yeah, so all the menu there should be tell so where can vent out, where not. Yeah, so I think yeah, so here. So there's a gas fireplace venting requirement, all the information here. So and we just see the ABCD, the letters and the the clearance and the explanation. Yeah, we go back and see. So normally like the furnace, so the venting terminal, so is close to the opening, the building opening, like the windows, the doors. So there's a the distance we require. Yeah, sometimes like you see, if we pretty close to the gas meter, and if we on the roof under the portiere, so there should be the requirement. Okay, so this one, so normally for the fireplace, so for the old fireplace, normally they just run the the exhaust from the roof. So normally you cannot see from the side, but the new fireplace, so now most is run from the side of the wall. Yeah, so that's we should know. So if it's the old one, so we don't need to care about this. Just to check the roof, if the rain cap is still there. Yeah, if there's a chimney is damaged, yeah, just like that is okay. Okay, so this one I think I don't need to explain completely. Yeah, so it's not like the furnace that common we can see from the side wall. Yeah, so if you met the the vent from the side wall, and you can use the furnace method. Just look around first. So if you see the is the size is cannot match the the furnace requirement, that means it must not match the gas fire requirement, because normally the fireplace, the requirement is a little bigger clearance than the furnace.
I'll make a quick note too there, Sam. With the gas fireplaces, again, it's one of those things that's manufacturer dependent. So every manufacturer, and depending on the size of the appliance, all the clearances are going to be different. So again, you guys are not required to pull up the installation manuals, but over time, as you guys get more experience and become more comfortable with your inspections, just start having a look at the actual model that you're inspecting, and take a quick look through the manual to make sure that the installation was actually correct. Because as you guys have been seeing, a lot of these installations are in brand new homes and they're not compliant. So
okay, that's a good idea. Yeah. Okay, so this one, so we can check the inside of the fireplace. Normally this space is very, very small, so it's hard to clean inside. Yeah, so that's why. So normally lots of fireplace inside is too dirty. Yeah, so because it didn't call the the service. Yeah, so this one normally, so we need the gas fitter or the service guy come here and clean inside completely. Yeah, so if it's dirt like this, so it's not good. Yeah, so maybe cause a fire. Yeah. So, and if you saw it's too dirty, take a picture, make notes, and let the owner know need the service. Oh, this one. So this one is garage heater. Yeah. So two things. So the first thing, so this looks the distance is not good. And another thing, so you see the black suit here. Yeah. So that means the heat changer for the garage heater, so need to be serviced, or maybe the cracked heat changer already. Yeah, so that should be careful. So if you saw is different color, sometimes it's a black suit there, so that should be very, very careful about that. Yeah, so go inside the garage and check the the garage heater. If it's too old, so recommend to do the service. Yeah, so I just worry if I saw this, I just worry the heat changer. Yeah, maybe the heat changer problem.
Yeah, this is actually a gas fireplace too, Sam.
This is the
Sam, like,
fireplace?
yeah, you bet that's fireplace. Yeah, you betcha. But like Sam was saying, if you guys see all this excessive soot, usually indication of an issue. Perhaps there has been any regular servicing done to the gas fireplace. Sorry, maybe the orifices are dirty, maybe the gas valve is out of calibration. So again, you generally shouldn't see excessive soot.
Okay, yeah. Okay, this one is the terminal is too low to the ground. Yeah, so there's not enough space for the snow. Yeah, so but this one looks there's the roof there, right? If no roof, so this space must be not good. Yeah, so doesn't matter which wind. So when we walk around the outside the building, we should be careful. So every wind, the minimum should be 12 inch. Yeah, so some province is special requirement. Yeah, so you should see the local requirement, Yeah, but this one, if there's no roof just like this, so the snow will be blocked here. Yeah, that's a big trouble.